Okay, today is July 1st, 2025. I've got a set of turn signal mirrors for Ford Bronco. These come off of the 96 model. I had to replace the glass for these. That's an aftermarket glass. It's got like a provision there for the arrow on both sides here. This is the driver's side. See if I can get. Chrome looks pretty good. A little mark right on top there. That's driver's side. And the passenger side. Probably could clean that up a little bit. Hold on a second, I'm going to pause this video. Okay, I'm back. I just put some glass cleaner on the back here, clean that up a little bit. It's got some spots on the top here, passenger side. I did try to clean it with a little bit of Windex. It is still a little wet, maybe. Chrome looks good. Bottom of the mirror. See the provision for the turning signals. All right, so I'm gonna put power to these and show you that these signals work. Now I am using a 9-volt battery, so it's not going to be as bright as it will be when it's on the Bronco running at 14 volts while it's running. So I'm going to turn the lights off. Alright, you can see it's blinking. I'm using a 9-volt battery to turn them on. So that is the passenger and the driver's. Hold on a second. Here is the driver's side mirror. See that all the LEDs light up on that one. So there is a functioning set of turn signal mirrors. I did put, like I said, I put aftermarket glass on them. This one is still gluing. I took the plate from the other housing that I had, put it on the better, or the faceplate, I put it on the better housing. Out of the two driver's side mirrors that I have, this one definitely had the better chrome on the back. So definitely looks better. So tell me what you think, and I will put the wires back into the plugs on both, and we can get these shipped off.